Hello YouTube, I'm Ashish from Roto Anim YouTube channel and you are in the right place if you want to learn rotoscopy in best ways. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first to know when I upload anything new. So this is the first class of our rotoscopy master class. So let's get started. So now I'm opening my silhouette, okay. So this is the basic interface of Silhouette. When you open your Silhouette, this page will come. After that, what you need to do is just click on new project and then choose the path where you want to save this file. Okay, so I want to save this file here inside new folder E Roto project. Okay, so I selected this folder and now I have to give the name. So I'm giving this name. Now what you need to do, just click on create project. After that we have to import the footage. So in Silhouette we will have to import sequence footage. Okay, so there are two methods you can import here. One is by going to file, import media, then after you can look for your footage. Okay, so I am going here and this one, look, so here is my footage. So I'm choosing the first frame of the footage and then open. So now here it's came. Okay, now I'm deleting this. Another process is just double click here in the sources and look for your footage where it is and then click on first frame, then open. Okay, so here is our footage. If you have sequence footage, then you can import it, and if you don't have, if you have any videos, then you can convert it from Nuke. I have one video on how to convert video to sequence footage. I'm getting this link in I button. You can also find it in the description below, so you can see and convert your video into sequence footage. So now after that, what you need to do, after importing the footage, just drag it from here and come it in here. Look, this is the tree tab, so just put it here and then press OK. So now it came. So this is our footage and here I played it. So remember one thing, whenever you import any footage for the first time, okay, so first you need to let it play. So just you press the play button and let it play. So now the footage is played well. Now after that, what you need to do is just you have to take roto nodes. Okay, so here you can find roto nodes. If there is no node tab, then you can come here in Windows and then here you can find nodes. Here this one is the nodes. When you click it, it will come here. Okay, then just click it here, drag it to here, and now what you need to do, just put it here. Now it's connected to between footage and the output node. So now after connecting this, you can see here the tools, rotoscopy tools. Okay, so now this is it. I imported the footage. I showed how to connect roto node. Now I'll tell about the basics of roto, the basics of Silhouette in my next video. So go and watch my next video. Hey guys, if you find this video really helpful, then please give a thumbs up, and you can also support this channel. Here is Paytm QR code. You can scan it with your Paytm app or you can directly send it to this number. Or if you are from outside of India, then you can use this PayPal link. I'll give this link in the description below.